Pele, the magical Brazilian football star who rose from barefoot poverty to become one of the greatest and best-known footballers in modern history, died at 82 in Sao Paulo on Thursday. He had been in and out of the hospital in recent months after a tumor was found on his colon. Pele, whose given name was Edson Ardanes do Nascimento, scored a world record 1,281 goals and is the only player ever to win the World Cup 3 times. Labeled the greatest by FIFA Football World Cup governing body, named the athlete of the century by the International Olympic Committee in 1999 and included in Time magazine list of 100 most important people of the 20th century. Pele was in 2000 voted World Player of the Century by the International Federation of Football History and Statistics and was one of the 2 joint winners of the FIFA Player of the Century Award. He was the original number 10 of world football, a number now spotted by Lionel Messi and Kylian Mbappe. The weather report: the maximum temperature was